Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xreal Beam Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to do is swipe out the screen and open calendar application. In it we can change view for a month to be easily to add, and tap on day when we want to add it, maybe 26. There is plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. There we can set when event starts. There we can add this event to our group on Gmail, calendars, members, and there we can set when event starts and finish in which time. Or we can set it will be all day event by switch on. Repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. Can make video conference when event starts. There we can add location of that, notification, and you can add more than one notification if we need. There we can change color of our notification, which we see about this event in our calendar. Description and attachment. You mustn't add everything, but if we need, you can do it. And press save. And that's all. We have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.